This week, I was inspired by the book of Proverbs, chapter 1, verse 7. Fear of the Lord is the foundation of true knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and discipline. Amen. What's up, y'all? What's popping? Happy whatever day you watch this, okay? It's the weekend. Today, I'm gonna go holla at Okwe. She is so cool, y'all. So I literally woke up today and I was like, I'm gonna do my wash day. Then I was like, you know what? I feel like putting braids in. Then I was like, I don't wanna put braids in without getting my trim. I'm due for a trim. So I just said, let me just take a chance and message Okwe and see, Sister Me, do you have availability today? So, gonna go with Okwe, get my hair blown out, get a trim. I think I might want her to style my hair. I didn't tell her this yet, but we'll see if she does it. She did this one style on this dermatologist I thought was super cute. The front was like, I think it was cornrowed, and then the back was curly hair, and it's a half wig. And I was just like, I think I might want that. It was really, really cute. If I have her do it, of course it'll cost me money. If I do it myself, then, you know, I'll see what happens. Either I'm gonna do that or I'm gonna put my hair in some braids this weekend. The knotless braids again. I might even do it longer than I did last time, but that does mean my partying will be bigger. So either I'll do that or I might install my lovely, always down for the cause, has never failed me, Kinky Twists. It's been a while since I've installed her. I do miss her. We haven't hung out in a minute. I don't want her to feel like, you know, I've kicked her to the side because I discovered knotless braids, you know? So that's my plan today. But before then, I'm gonna work around the house. By the time this video goes up, I think I would have already posted my Clean With Me video where y'all met the handyman that I met off of TaskRabbit. His name is Kofi too. Coming back again, and it's gonna help me install some window blinds. So I bought window blinds for this back window, finally. So I'm gonna have window blinds, it'll go down. And then what else? I'm gonna have him change my fire alarm battery. So that's what it is, but the most exciting part of my day is me getting my hair done. Okay? Hallelujah. So anyway, y'all see something, right? I see something too. Yes, my seborrheic dermatitis is acting, or let me not claim it. I don't want to keep that. That's not my portion in Jesus' name. Seborrheic dermatitis is acting up on me again. You can see right here, see right here, see right here. I thought I beat it. I did beat it, but then it came back. Now it's kind of trying to come back, but I'm gonna beat it again. I'm gonna get rid of it. I already went to go see my dermatologist. I got my diflucan. I have the ketoconazole, the cream. I'm gonna take, in fact, let me take it now. Fluconazole tablet, known for vaginal yeast infection, but really it's just for yeast. From my understanding, what I've been told is that SD, seborrheic dermatitis, is mainly a yeast buildup. Fungal. So let me go ahead and pop my pill real quick. Popping pills, baby. No, I'm joking. No, not like that. Not like that. So yeah, y'all. So now I'm about to go shower, come back down, get ready to eat. All right. So she has cleaned herself when she do it, and I'm in my favorite house dress, a muumuu. I had said that I was going to go and start on my cabinets, but I realized my room can use a little something. So I think I want to work in my room. I want to organize things a little bit better. I also want to clean my closet out some and donate, of course. So it's gonna do some organization. Like, why is all this on my dresser? You know, this is Kofi's. I'm trying to get into shaving him myself, you know, save some coins. I got magazines up here. I just be putting stuff everywhere, y'all. It's crazy.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity.
All right, so it's 1:15 right now. He's about 40 minutes away, which means he won't get here till about 2. Your girl got to be gone by 2:30 to make it to Okwe. I'm hoping he can come tomorrow because I really want to get those blinds up and just get it out the way, you know. I also want to get my fire alarm battery changed. I tried to do it myself, y'all, but I couldn't get it off the thing. I don't know. I was unable to get it off of there, so I need help. I'm good with that. I'm okay with the fact that I do need help. Because you know what? We weren't created to do everything on our own. I know that might shock some of you people who think you can do it all. But we were not created to do everything solo, dolo. That's why some of y'all look older than you really are. Because you're trying to do everything on your own. Stressing yourself out, you don't even know it. Alright, so made it to Okwe. Oh Lord, I ain't got no elevators. My gosh. Anyway. I'm over here, I was driving over here like, do I want to just style my hair? I really like this ponytail style, y'all. It's just really awesome. So I might have her put my hair back into a ponytail and I just braid this hair back in for myself. Just to hold me until tomorrow before I install the actual braids. We'll see what she say. Well, y'all can't even see me. Hey. See how eating twists to ya? Oh, no. Yes, of course you're on camera. What? Look at how eating to ya. That's how you know you're Nigerian. How can you tell you're Nigerian? By your lunch?
It's only meat.
Hey, that's how you know. You can't help it.
This girl.
When you are Nigerian, you do this.
Put on eyebrows.
Do you have time to maybe even do like a full see your head and stuff? See your head. My friend, come on, sit down. Can you do like a full like deep conditioning and stuff like that? Oh, please. You know, I've never had like the full. You like, first of all, I fit you in. Second of all, now you wait till you're here to add stuff. I mean, if you can, no pressure. How's your YouTube? I haven't seen no videos.
So the thing is, I'm in the process of editing one.
Okay.
I started adding my fashion.
Okay. Come on, fashion.
Shining small. That video did not do well, but it's okay. I'm like, you gotta just post and get results.
Pretty much.
So I'm not even, right now I've been posting on TikTok.
Yeah, saw that. The short videos.
Twice a day. Come on, 2. Maybe 3 days for the past 3 days. And I'm like, ooh, I'm running out of videos. But it's motivating me to keep it up.
Yeah.
I'm like, wow, momentum is high. Let me keep it up.
Yeah.
Do you have multiple memory cards or do you just use one and empty?
Oh, no, I have multiple. Yeah. I got like, now I'm sitting at like 10.
Oh, wow. So I'm tripping then. I only have like 2 or 3. Girl.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say.
The audience engagement I have in my head is ask your Instagram a question and they're not gonna reply. They only reply to like stickers of, I don't know, if I ask a question on my stories, people reply to that. But if I were to ask a question in my caption, people don't.
Oh, no. Don't do the caption. Use the stories.
Yeah.
And then take those questions, screenshot it, and now use that in your video. Yeah, not the hard post one. They don't be, Because you have to remember on timeline, even think about how you do. When you're scrolling, just looking, you're just looking, and you keep it moving. So there's no time to be asking no questions they got to think about.
When I watch people in here, when they use the Instagram, I try my best not to be all up in people's phones.
Yeah,
but people just be ding, ding, ding. I'm like, no wonder nobody likes my stuff.
That's it.
You guys are not liking anybody's stuff.
Girl, but in the stories, you can use that tag or whatever that Instagram calls it, and people will respond to that.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to choose gentle styles.
Yeah.
People are like, well, why did you get those in? You're like, can you show up your mouth? I got it because I like it. Leave me alone.
Exactly.
And then when I went to Nigeria, I got braids again. It was like, Grace, you get braids again? Like, you can't come to Nigeria for the first time and not get.
What kind of braids did you get?
I just got knotless braids though.
Okay. Yeah.
I was like, the most I can do is knotless braids. Those are very. I love knotless braids. It's so gentle.
Yeah.
And for a long time, I thought, I don't think I'll like knotless braids. Until I tried, I was like,
Yeah.
Sometimes I forget it's even there.
Honestly, I don't even recommend people get anything else. If you're going to do individuals, it should be knotless.
Yes, it's a whole different level.
Yeah.
We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive.
All right, as y'all can see, I didn't do any style with the hair. Had my ponytail right here. So, this ponytail out there. Okay, did the shape. Let me try it again. Hold on. Let me face the sun. There we go. Did it shake? Okay. I think it shook a little bit. So I have some movement to it right now, but so I'm gonna make it all the way home, and then I'm gonna attach my wig. I'm on my ponytail. I think I want to use. I don't think I'm gonna use this one. I think I'm gonna use the clip-in one. I'm gonna use a drawstring ponytail. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and go home, and then I am going to figure out what I want to do with my hair. I'll probably just put the drawstring ponytail on, honestly. But yes, if you're in the Houston area and you're still in search of a hairstylist, cosmetologist that also specializes in natural hair and scalp care, holla at Okwe. Transformed by okay. All right, let me go ahead and make my way home. So here we are, next day after I went to Madame Okwe and taking my hair down because I'm going to install Kinky Twists. First I thought I was gonna do knotless braids again, but girl, this feels so good just to go like this. But no, I'm gonna do Kinky Twists. So last week, or in the previous vlog, y'all saw me do the what do you call those things? Call that style? The ponytail. I did a flat ponytail and it was awesome. I really enjoyed that hairstyle, but I did do it in a way that required so much gel, which that's something I don't want to keep doing. So that wouldn't be a hairstyle I want to do again. So what I'm planning to do is this part is install my twist according to how my hair falls, according to how my hairline is. So I have a hairline that's like a W or M, I guess. Boom, boom. Always been like that. It's nothing to do with hair damage or anything like that. That's just how my stuff is always. I get it from my daddy. Thank you, daddy. So I think I want to do this according to how my hair is parted. I'm still debating on whether or not I want to do a middle part. I most likely want to avoid a middle part to give my middle hair a break, but middle parts just look really good on me. All right, I'm gonna stop talking so I can part my. Actually, can y'all give me a second? Let me part real quick. Thank you.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
I think my part is a little slanted. It is. Does it have to be so perfect? Not necessarily, but it helps.
Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Finally! Oh my MG, we are finished. This is the ending of it all. Of course, downstairs, I'm going to throw some hot water on it. I'm so happy I got this done. I will most likely be wearing it all the time. Up, and it's updo right here, okay? Right here, boom, boom. Updo gang, 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 all right? To me, it is a protective style, and I also feel it's low maintenance as well. So I'm gonna mainly keep my hair moisturized with water, aloe vera juice or gel, and then lock it in with oils and butters and all that kind of great stuff. I had a very eventful weekend. I got house cleaning done somewhat, and then I got my back door done, and I went to go see Okwe, got my hair done. We had great little girl chat, and now my hair is in protective style mode. Let me show it to y'all all the way. All right, that's how we looking, okay? Ignore my comfortable, very comfortable robe. I don't know if y'all noticed, but your girl is a robe person. It's not long on purpose. Y'all see that one long piece. It is what it is. And that's how we rolling. So I'm gonna keep this for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Probably gonna have it for a month, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I enjoyed this vlog this weekend, and I want to try to start ending my vlogs on a what I've learned. What did I learn this weekend? Okay. This weekend, I learned the importance of a good impression. The importance of a good impression is what allowed me to be able to get on Okwe's schedule day of. Because day of, I just said, let me just message her and see if she can possibly take me in yesterday, Saturday. And I really thought it would be a girl no. Too late of a notice, ma'am, no. you need to go ahead and book it in. And I was ready for that. I was like, I respect that. I respect that. Entrepreneur to entrepreneur, I get it. So I just said, let me just try it. And I called her, not even thinking about the time I called her, because I woke up around 7 something, called her, didn't answer. But lo and behold, she heard the message and she messaged me back saying, it's only because I like you. Call me at 3 p.m. I was like, yay, thank you. And I was so appreciative. And when I got to her shop, we talked a little bit more about it. She was like, yeah, because she feels a connection to me. We're cool. We understand each other. We have great conversation, great flow. And that's also, so that made me think to myself the importance of a good impression. Also towards her, because of her personality, because of how she presents herself to me, because of her skill set, and really honestly because of her personality, the way she just vibes with me. Good impression on me, right? To where I can't stop talking about her in my vlog. This is my 3rd time going to her, and I'm consistently telling y'all about her. People say image doesn't matter. Image kind of does, because it's your image, not necessarily just how you look, but the type of impression you make on that person that they're going to remember when you walk away, when you're not in the room with them anymore, when they're driving home and they're thinking about the interaction they have with you. It's that image you leave inside of their brain of you, okay? So just keep in mind, if you want people to know the best of you, if people know that you're nice, you want people to know that you have a good heart, then that's what you need to present. If you're presenting a hard exterior, and you're expecting people to take hours and months and days to break through that hard exterior to find out you're actually a good person, you're just delaying time. You're making it harder for yourself than it needs to be. And again, this is me being one who used to think like this. You don't need to personally get to know me to know that I actually have some goodness inside of me. You don't need to personally get to know me to know that I'm actually a nice person. You do not need to personally get to know me to know that, I like to have fun and I like to help, I like to serve others, I like to be compassionate. I used to think like, well, when you personally get to know me, then you actually get to realize I'm actually a good person. Well, then I'm wasting your time by making you have to go through however long it takes to realize I'm a good person. I'm realizing now you need to see that from the very beginning, from hello. So I challenge y'all this week, going into this new week. If you've never been the type to just randomly say hi to a stranger or just flash a smile, try it this week. I know some of y'all like, if I do that, I might get taken down. But you might not. Depending on where you are. If you're in the South, you can do it and you probably get a good response. But I remember when I was in New York, I was smiling and my New York friend was just like, girl, if you don't stop looking crazy. I said, what you mean? I'm just being friendly. Don't do that here. And I felt that. I was like, that's kind of sad. And I did it anyway. Did it show that I wasn't from there? Absolutely. Did it make someone probably smile on the inside? Maybe so. All right, y'all. So on that note, I'm going to end this weekend vlog. Thanks for hanging out with me, y'all. One platform that I know I don't talk that much about, but I encourage you to check your girl out on is TikTok. I have been posting a bit more on TikTok. Some of the videos you see on TikTok don't always make it to my Instagram Reels or my YouTube Shorts. So hang out with me on TikTok if you're on TikTok, and let's have fun over there too, okay? All right, y'all. So remember, in order to have healthy mind, body, soul, everything, you got to do healthy things consistently. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. Losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, 'cause I can't be saved.